So today on Rainbow Man Garage, we are going to try and figure out a power steering leak that we have. As you can see here, all over the fan, right through there. Let's see if we can see down in, no, not really. Okay, well then up here, see all this right here? See all the, like, right here, and then over in here on this side. We're gonna have to take out the radiator fan to be able to see what's going on there. There's a bunch of it down there. There's even some up here. Everything that looks wet, that's from power steering fluid. Bypassing a power steering cooler in our Ford Fusion today. As you can see from all this crap on the condenser, which is part of the power steering cooler, that it has gone out and it is leaking. So we are going to bypass this because the top three rows, from what I understand, are the power steering cooler. So we're going to disconnect this hose and this hose over here. And then we bought this kit from the AutoZone, I believe, for about 40 bucks. We also got all this stuff, has clamps and hose. Okay, so our first couple of steps were to remove this hose from right there, and we added this 3/8 to 1/2 inch coupling because this hose was a little bit bigger and I didn't like the way that the other ones were in there. And we did the same thing over on this side. We put a clamp on it and we tightened her all down, so it's definitely not going to leak because we put the Ugga-Duggas on it. So the hose that they supplied us with, we cut it like, I don't know, quarter, 3/4 as far as length. We put one of the clamps here, one of the clamps here. We put one of the clamps here, and one, let's see, right over here. And we made sure to tighten them all down. That's very important. Now off to the next step of mounting this thing. And right there on our condenser is where we mounted it at. It comes with 2 zip ties. I put one in there for right now. We'll put the other one here in just a second, okay? Here's a better look of what it looks like while it's mounted. So here we have some of the grime and the power steering fluid and stuff. And we got a can of foaming coil cleaner, and we're gonna spray that on, and we're gonna let the magic happen. I'm gonna try to multitask while we're doing this, I guess. So this is our radiator after we used the foaming coil cleaner. And I gotta say, it did not do a bad job at all. Here's the back side of it. We're checking for leaks the lazy way. Put this piece of cardboard down and we drove it to work today to see if it leaks or not. The only little drifts that I've seen is probably stuff still coming off of the condenser because I still didn't get all that off of it. Uh, this thing sprayed out like 2.5 quarts of power steering fluid, so I don't see an active leak anywhere, but I do see stuff still dripping off. But as far as our repair goes, everything is awesome and dry and it works really well. And this concludes our power steering cooler fix. Thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll see you again on another episode of Rainbow Man Garage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.